Good morning, children. Now we are going to see the fourth sum in the chapter 1. At Marina, two types of games, horse riding and quad bike riding, are available on our hourly rent. Kiran and Benita spent rupees 780 and rupees 560 during the month of May. Okay, so what the names Kiran and Benita. So how many games they have given? Horse riding and bike riding, and totally they spend is 780, 560, and horse riding is 3. Okay, the number of hours, and the 4 hours is bike riding. So Benita spent 2 hours and 3 hours. Find the hourly charges for the two games rides using the determinant method. Okay, so now we are going to do this sum. How we are going to start the sum? Let solution. Let the hourly charge for horse riding is rupees X, be rupees X, and the hourly charge for bike riding is rupees Y. Okay, so next we are going to, from the given clue, we will be writing the equation. So 3x, that is 2x plus 3y is it equal to 560. Okay, so this is the second equation, 2x plus 3y equal to 560. Next, what is the equation we can write? The before equation is 3x plus 4y equal to 780. So the next equation, this is 3x plus 4y equal to 780. So these are the two equations you can write up. So from the two equation we are going to find out the del. So 3, 4, 2, 3. So 3 3s are 9 minus 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1, is not equal to 0. Next, what we can, since the del is not equal to 0, means we can proceed to the del x. So del x equal to, so before sums we have seen 780 and 560, you have to write it in the place of x. So 780 then 560. Here what will come? 4, 3. So 780 into 3 minus 4 into 560. Then you just multiply is 2340 minus 2240. So if we subtract, means what is the answer? 100 you will be getting. So the next sum is, what we have to find out? We have to find out the del y. So del y is equal to 3, 2, then 780, then 560. Okay, next you just multiply it, 3 into 560 minus 2 into 780. Okay, next then we are going to multiply it. So multiplying is 305, 3 into 560 minus 2 into 780. So that is equal to 1680 minus 1560. So next, then if you subtract, means you will be getting 120. After subtracting it, you have to find out what is the del x by del. So what is the value you will be getting? 100 by, the del value is 1. So 100. So x equal to 100. Next, y is equal to del y by del. So that is equal to del y is 120 by 1. So that is equal to 120. So x value is 100, y value is 120. Therefore, the hourly charges for the 2 rides are rupees 100 and rupees 120 respectively. Okay.